you're doing work on obesity because it's the height of obesity you're doing
Yes.
it. If it is something psychic, you would have never done.
Yes. That is the truth. That's the truth.
So what you have to realize is that behind the height there is always a simple thing that people forget.
Yes.
So what part you need to realize is that when you're doing let's say dissipation of the knowledge, when you're talking or spreading things, one should start with basic criteria. One should not start, oh, you're obese, let's start a surgery.
Yes.
That's not the answer.
Yes.
The person is totally dejected.
Yes.
He's like, oh my god, man, now I have to make more money and I have to get into surgery, and you're giving the idea that that is the only solution,
Yes.
which is not.
Yes.
So what we have done is that we've gone to the physical activity, we've gone to the dietary portions and eating healthy. Now this is mostly for the prevention, and this works on the overweight and the grade 1 category of obesity, people who follow this. But what about for those people who are in grade 2, grade 3, grade 4?
Okay.
What treatments are grade 4? There is nothing there, but let's say morbid obesity. So what is the solution for people who are already in bundles of fat?
Usually they are put into bariatric surgery immediately, banding and bypass.
For example, I got this case, 140 kilos. I asked the patient a simple question. Do you like yourself?
Body image.
Do you like yourself? She's like, of course, doctor, I love myself.
Yes.
I said, you're not a patient for me. There's something mentally wrong with you. We are not perfect individuals.
Yes.
We have to know what defects we have if we want to cure it.
Yes.
Without accepting the defects we have, how will you cure it? So this patient who is 140 kilos thinks her body image is cool and she's healthy and she's looking perfect. She needs mental psychiatric help.
Yes.
And those people who are not mentally stable.
Yes.
These are people who are undergoing extreme major depression.
Yes.
They don't want to see the true self.
Yes.
They are avoiding saying that no, I'm 140 but it's still okay for me to be cool.
Yes.
They are not getting into serious. I will eat how I want. I will not go to exercise. I will not walk on the street.
Yes.
I will not come out of the house. I will watch movies. I will eat what I want. They're going through severe depression here.
Yes.
And this patient is probably not going to eat healthy.
Yes.
There's no control in her system because she's mentally so disturbed 24/7.
Yes.
This is the kind of candidate that one should be put into bariatric surgery.
Yes.
They need help. And they need help outside their boundary. So this is the first candidate that we need to put, she's eating too much. They can't control.
Yes.
So if you see the bariatric surgeries, there are like 2-3 types of surgeries. So depending on the type of surgery, what the patient is at, their age, medical fitness, the type of obesity, what is best for them,
yes,
it should be opted out.
Okay.
So I would always prefer surgery for the morbid obesity people.
Okay.
Then there is other category of patients like grade 2, grade 3 obesity,
Okay.
where you have fat cells, and we have two categories of individuals who come down. Some of them are obese everywhere.
Yes.
They have increased fat cells everywhere. Everywhere you see that is totally. Some of them are only at a particular area.
Yes.
Now if a lady comes to me looking at 9 months, and she's like, doctor, by 15 days, 30 days, I should get flat.
Yes.
I'm like, I'm sure. She also doesn't need me. She will be going to, I cannot do anything so drastic within such limited time. Some probably such as other types of surgery, like liposuction probably. At least they'll suck it out, they'll bandage it by 3 months or 6 months, she will see. But she'll have the mental satisfaction of having it done once for all.
Yes.
So when you're dealing with obesity and treatment, taking into mind the psychological aspect of the patient is extremely important. How stable is the patient? What do the patients know the exact outcome of what they want to? And things. And with so much publicity happening in obesity, everybody thinks, I'm rich, I can be like this. Yes, to an extent, but if only if you put your effort.
Yes.
So now comes to the patients, who do not opt for surgery, who are contraindicated for surgery, who are physically fit, who need a mild kind of eczema help. So now we have two candidates who go for a walk, and the first candidate who is going for a walk, it's two ladies who I said, both of them lose fat as such. But they come back after 2 months saying, doctor, she's lost more, I've lost less.
Yes.
Her abdomen has disappeared, my abdomen is still there. So there comes where in which we have to go into the histology or the type of fat cells of that area. So it is getting more and more deeper, and here the ladies are coming to us because of the aesthetic aspect of it.
Yes.
So what we need to do is that here we put them on to two kinds of treatments. For the patients who are losing, why touch them?
Yeah.
There's no need. I'll tell them to lose as much as you can. So you come back at the phase where your body says, no, I can't. So here what we will do is that some of the patients we are doing injections, lipotherapy injections, in which we are using a lipolytic medication inside the fat cells to destroy. These are minimally invasive injections, and what will happen in a period of 5 to 15 days having a necrotic fat destruction, where you will have autolysis, macrophage engulfs, and about half an inch to 3 inches of fat is reduced within 15 days. They will need to cover 5 sessions over a period of time. Injection lipotherapy is an injections-based program in which we have specially worked on about 3,000, 4,000 patients and designed a program. So they do have excellent weight loss plus cosmetic reduction. Some of my patients who are contraindicated even for the injection, they would get into acoustic lipolysis. So and these acoustic lipolysis is excellent for people who are I've done a lot of my South Indian movie actors.